Installing GTA 5 on a low-performance system can be challenging, but with the right steps, you can optimize the game for better performance. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for GTA 5. Check your CPU, RAM, and GPU specifications to confirm they are adequate for running the game. Step 2. Download the game. Purchase and download GTA 5 from a reliable platform like Steam or Rockstar's official website. Make sure to choose the version compatible with your operating system. Step 3. Adjust installation settings. During the installation process, select a location with sufficient disk space. If possible, install the game on an SSD for faster load times, but if you only have an HDD, ensure it has enough free space. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Once installed, launch the game and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings, reduce the resolution, and disable any unnecessary features like VSync or anti-aliasing to improve performance. Step 5. Install performance mods. Consider downloading performance-enhancing mods or patches that can help optimize the game for low-end systems. Look for mods that specifically target performance improvements without compromising gameplay. By following these steps, you can successfully install and run GTA 5 on a low-performance system. Enjoy your gaming experience.